She left. Maybe she ghosted you. Maybe she said, "You're not what I need right now." And now you want her to regret it. But here's the truth the Stoics knew centuries ago. The best revenge is no revenge. It's becoming untouchable. Breakups activate your ego. Your mind screams, "She needs to see me win. She needs to suffer." But Marcus Aurelius warned, the best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury. In other words, don't let her actions turn you into something that you regret afterward. The Stoic path doesn't react emotionally. It rises above it. Epictetus said, "You may fetter my leg, but not even Zeus can get the better of my will." It shows us that no one controls our peace unless we hand it over to them. So if she left, that's her choice. Your power is deciding what comes next. Start journaling, hit the gym, cut the contact, rebuild your mission, not for her, but for your future self. One day, she might scroll and see you thriving, not pretending, not flexing, just at peace. And in that moment, she'll feel it. Because women don't regret losing the guy who begged. They regret losing the guy who became everything they thought he couldn't be without her. That's Stoic power. You don't win by replacing her. You win by replacing who you were when she left. Train your discipline. Create something of value. Be so calm, so grounded, so focused, that nothing external can shake your worth. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." Want her to regret leaving? Don't chase. Don't beg. Become the kind of man she was never ready for. That's the Stoic path. Not revenge, but elevation. Subscribe for more Stoic mindsets to rebuild your strength from the inside out.